Hey guys, how you doing? It's Will from P2R. We're out here again, ready to do another video at the AutoCross. Sean's out here, Richard's out here. It's gonna be a friendly battle. We're not gonna be cutting throats here to win, but we're definitely gonna be competitive out there. So we're gonna see what we do as a group and who wins, who comes out. So we got 3 different setups today. Sean got his, we're all using the J30s, whether it's 32, 32 AC, J30 this, J30 that, doesn't matter. 6-cylinder, supercharged, Sean's all-wheel drive ready to go. Single turbo, V6, ready to go, all-wheel drive as well. Richard's all naturally aspirated, 6-cylinder. Last event, Richard beat me. So I'm definitely trying to beat Richard today, but as you can see, we all got different platforms, different ways. Sean's sliding all over inside of his car with his bucket seat in there for the racetrack. So we're gonna just have fun with it and see what happens. That's what it's all about. Guys, here we are. I'm gonna talk a little bit about my car. It's got a single turbo, you already know. Hopefully that gives me a little bit of an advantage. The big brakes on there stop a little bit better. I don't know, they're lightweight wheels, not too bad. I put a little bit of suspension into the car. It's prototype right now, so we're still working on dialing everything in with camber and everything else to help me get around the cones a little bit more, but all I can do is keep on coming out here and hustling and doing my best. I really don't think that the car's gonna lose. I mean, it's new. I'm not trying to be arrogant about it, but it has all the bells and whistles ready to go. And every time it seems like Sean just wins everything or Richard wins. So we're gonna be out here and we're really battling for it. I just think the turbo and all the way the car's set up, it's probably, if it was a real driver driving it, it'd probably win. You know what I mean? Out of everything else, just because it's got all the bells and whistles. But who knows what's gonna happen? And like I said, I'm gonna be out there driving the out of this car, and we're gonna see who comes out on top. It's just a friendly little battle, but I'm very competitive and I want to win, so we'll see what happens. Got done with a couple heats already, guys, and I'm not trying to be arrogant about it, but I'm number 1. Okay, I think I ran the fastest time right now out of anything 6-cylinder turboed, and with everybody else, 6-cylinder naturally aspirated, I went faster. 6-cylinder turbocharged, I went faster. We still got a little bit more time to go. I'm very excited about. I got the water to my advantage, I think. You know what I mean? Like Richard's car can't go traction control off. I can go all the way off. So I do have a little bit of an advantage, but I'm having so much fun, and we got a couple more rounds to go. And we're gonna see what we got going. I got half a second more in this, so we'll see what happens.
We're having a battle today. We're out here at the AutoCross PBIR. I brought my daily driver. It's 2010 6-speed TL. I've got P2R built heads on it, the CNC package, and basically everything else is stock. I got exhaust on the car. Got some tires on it, some performance brake pads. That's about it. Bringing out pretty much a stock car to battle with Will and his new Type S and Sean's drag car. It's gonna be an interesting battle. The last couple times we brought it out, Will took me the first event. He beat me by a good 2 seconds. I came out the second event with some new brakes and a little more experience, a little more time under my belt, and I beat him on the last event. So it's going to be interesting with the Type S. I don't think I stand a chance against Sean's car. It's a lot lighter, and he's got some power. I do have an advantage with some suspension and some brakes on my car that he doesn't have. So it's going to be really interesting to see how it goes. We're about to head out and find out.
Hey, Sean here, owner of P2R. Today I'm with the 2012 TL that just ran the IRA series and won this year's championship for the 3rd time in a row. Today I wanted to switch it up, bring it on to AutoCross, just have some fun, show my other guys here pretty much that I can bring this car out and beat them as well too. So I got a little bit of a disadvantage by not having any sway bars, having the small brakes. You know, the car doesn't have any strut bars or anything like that. Pretty much everything suspension related has been taken out of this car. Though it does have a roll cage, so I guess it is somewhat stiff. The car is the J37 with the supercharger on it. Today it's right around 450 horsepower. I'm pretty sure I can go out there, get some fast times, and hopefully beat these two guys. So we're about halfway through the first session. I went out and I did 2 runs. I ended up spinning out there, unfortunately, so I'm probably at the bottom of the pack, everybody, right now, but we still got a long night to go. Gonna get better, but with the small radiator, I gotta let the car cool down. I can't do back-to-back runs like they're doing, but just got about a 30-minute break. I'll go out in the next session and I'll make sure I beat their times next time around. So we finished the first session out. It's still wet outside. As I expected, the Type S killed everyone on this session. We didn't stand a chance. All the advancements that car has puts us to shame. He got me about probably close to 2 seconds for the lap time. I think he was at 59 something, I was at 61. So got some ground to make up for. Hopefully the next session out, the track will dry up a little bit and it'll help me out a little more. I'm aiming for a high 58 today, and I'm sitting at a 61. So we'll see how it goes, and when the track starts drying up, these other cars are going to start making an impact. So right now, Will's number 1, and we'll see how it goes as the night progresses.
back again, ran a 56,
Oh, did it?
7 or something like that.
It's because your first one, he didn't stop at the stop sign, so we got flagged.
They
so
ra-
I
they
was in
raced my
first place.
time. They
so
raced
then
my
Sean
time.
goes back out there, and if you're gonna beat somebody, like I was the best for a second, you know what I mean? You're gonna beat somebody, you go out there and you beat him by 2 seconds, and that's what Sean did, you know what I mean? He made like a 56. So not even the Porsche Carreras and the 911s and all that are beating this time. So I was actually clapping for him. I was so happy that you know, we got first, second, and there's Richard.
I'm third in my class right now. So I'm in a different class. It's not.
I'm only kidding, Richard. I'm only kidding.
I'm third.
I had a ball though. I had a good time
First, second,
tonight.
third.
Yeah.
Well, it turned out great. I'm first in class. I think Will's second in class. So we came out pretty good. We topped the class today.
Yeah.
So it's looking good. Richard's got, what, a 370Z's ahead of you right now?
No,
you just
crossed
beat him?
on the last one,
So
I'm third
you
in
just
my
got to
class.
get...
The only car in
Nice.
front of me is a 911 and a GT. Tough
Yeah.
car.
Yeah, so I mean, all around we all did good. Hope you guys enjoy the footage, and we'll see you guys back for another video soon.